As a buyer in today's real estate market, what makes a home truly affordable? Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey with Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. With affordability being the biggest challenge for home buyers, buyers are looking for properties that cater to both their lifestyle, their needs, and financial concerns.
Affordability isn't just about the price tag on the home, but also about foreseeing future expenses with the home, such as repairs, property taxes, home insurance, and maintenance costs. Also, the mortgage costs. Understanding how a mortgage fits into your life's overall financial picture. A rule of thumb is that your monthly mortgage payment should not exceed between 28 and 40% of your monthly income.
Now there's location, location, location. The neighborhood you choose can impact the home's affordability. Sometimes having a longer commute can mean more home for your money, but also higher expenses with commuting. And let's not forget about energy. Homes that are more efficient with energy saving features might have a higher upfront cost, but they save you money in the long run in utility bills. In the end, affordability is not just about numbers and features.
The best value is the home that aligns with your financial goals and your lifestyle needs. Meeting these key concerns will give you the most value. It is not just about finding a place to live, but also securing a foundation for your future and building your net worth over time. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking for a replacement home, connect with us to help you find a home that fits your life and budget.
Reach out to us today. With more than 40 years experience in local residential real estate, we can help you find your affordable dream home. We're John and Claire Hickey with Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. We love guiding you home, and we'll see you on the next video.